Okay?
I opened the bottom drawer. It's hard to open.
Yeah, they are hard to open. Watch your fingers. Okay.
Who wants the surprise? Close your eyes. Put your hands over your eyes. Okay, now walk this way. I'll keep your hands over your eyes and I'll pull you, okay? There's a step here. Oh, keep your hands over your eyes.
Hey, you cheated.
There it is. What is it?
You like it? Whoa, that thing is cool, man.
All right, go ahead, sit down. Yeah, let's see. Now we need to move the seat up. Just move the seat. Get up.
Cool, you got your own racing car?
There we go. Okay, now sit down.
You gotta use the pedals. Use the pedals just like a bike. And you steer it with the steering wheel.
Okay.
Put your feet on the pedals. Sit back.
Pedals. Aye, aye, Captain. Now remember how to pedal?
There you go. Perfect.
Here. Wow.
Go, Cole, go. Go, Cole, go.
Good.
That thing is cool, Cole. Down.
Trying to wave through the camera? Say thanks, Mimi and Bucky.
Thanks, Mary and Bucky.
Say, I like it a lot. Are you a race car driver? I'm coming. Watch where you're steering. There's a car coming. Stay on the side. Stay on the side. Wow, this thing is cool, man. Say beep beep.
This is, look, if you
That's
ever
your
wanna
brake.
Stop, look. If you ever want to stop, you just go like this and pull out. Okay?
That's your brake.
It's called the brake. Yep.
What do you think, bud?
Where's the way?
On the pedal. Ah.
This is a good thing to teach him how to pedal, I think. He's actually pedaling.
Turn left. Don't turn left. Left.
Ah!
Left. Don't steer into the curve, buddy. Keep pedaling. You can do it.
Come on.
Go ahead, buddy. You got to pedal to make it go.
Go,
Good
Cole.
job.
Use your
Cole,
use
make
your
it go.
feet.
You're making it go with your pedals. Go, go, go. Cole, you got to make it go with your pedals. You got to do it yourself.
There you go. Keep going. Use your feet to push it. Excellent. You're doing excellent, buddy.
Turn the car, so stay to the right. Turn right, turn right. Stop. Turn left. Turn a little left. All right, Cole. That's right. Turn left. Turn away from the car.
Crash.
Good job. Brake. Good job, Cole.
I love that thing. Try to use your feet.
Well, see, you did yourself.
Push, push.
Buddy.